Okay, let's talk about something really cool. Your mind. What if I told you that inside your mind, you have a secret superpower? Seriously. It's called your consciousness, and it turns out it's not just something you have, it's something you can train. Kind of like training a muscle at the gym to get super strong. We're gonna dive into how you can learn to use this amazing power.
You know that feeling when your brain just gets stuck on one thought over and over and over again? It's like a song you can't get out of your head, except it's not a fun song. It might be a worry or something that makes you feel kinda crummy. And you're trying so hard to hit the stop button, but it just keeps playing. Guess what? Almost everyone feels that way sometimes.
Right, that thought song we were just talking about? When that happens, it means your brain is on autopilot. It's just doing what it's always done, following the same old path. But here's the secret. You don't have to stay on that path. What if you could actually grab the steering wheel and choose a whole new road to go down?
And yeah, when you're stuck in that loop, it can feel pretty bad. It can make you feel lost or kinda lonely. But listen, this is super important. There is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is actually trying to be efficient by making these little shortcuts. The cool part is, you can teach it to make new, better shortcuts. You just need the right instruction manual.
Okay, so let's talk about that secret superpower. Because the answer to getting unstuck, it's not hiding somewhere out there. It's already inside you.
For a super long time, people have been on this giant treasure hunt, looking for answers to life's big questions.
They've looked in books, they've listened to super smart people, they've even looked up at the stars. And while that's all interesting, it kind of makes you think the treasure is hidden somewhere far away, and that you need a special map from someone else to find it.
But then, there's this really old, really wise saying. It basically means all the best stuff, all the power, all the happiness, all the treasure you've been looking for, it's not out there. It's been inside you this whole time.
And we're not talking about just believing it, like wishing on a star. We're talking about knowing it. What's the difference? Well, believing is like reading a recipe for a chocolate cake. Knowing is actually tasting the cake. It's a feeling deep inside, like an inner compass that always points you in the right direction.
So how do you learn to use this inner compass? Well, just like any superpower, it takes a little bit of training. And that's where the Phoenix Project Foundation comes in. They're like coaches who've created a special training program just for your mind.
They have this awesome idea they call consciousness as a skill. It's simple, really. Your awareness, the part of you that pays attention to things, isn't just there. You can actually train it. Just like you can train your muscles to get stronger, you can train your attention to get better at focusing on what you want.
Exactly. It's like a gym, but for your mind. You wouldn't expect to get strong by going to the gym just once, right? It's the same thing here. You do little mental exercises, and over time, your mind gets stronger, calmer, and way more focused.
And this whole training program, the foundation has a cool name for it, Consciousness as a Service. You can just call it CaaS. Think of it like a toolkit that's always available to you, a service that helps you keep your mind in tip-top shape.
So how does it work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you just notice when you're stuck in one of those thought loops. Step 2, you get to choose something else to focus on, something better. And step 3, you start building a new, better path for your thoughts to follow. That's it.
And when you practice these steps, something amazing starts to happen. You start to level up. The Phoenix Project calls this becoming a pro-human. It's like going from a beginner to an expert at being, well, you. Good question, right? What does a pro-human actually do? Does it mean you never have a bad day or a grumpy thought again? Nope, not at all.
Being a pro-human means you have the skills to break free from those sticky thought loops. You get to remember the awesome person you truly are deep down, you can build a life that feels important and fun, and you get to choose how you see the world. How cool is that?
Basically, it's the difference between being a passenger in a car, just going wherever it takes you, and being the actual driver. You're not just reacting to whatever happens anymore. You're in the driver's seat, and you get to create your own amazing journey. Now, this is where it gets even better. This isn't something you have to do all by yourself. It's a team project, and this is your chance to join in and help build this path for everyone.
See, the Phoenix Project Foundation is busy building this whole Consciousness as a Service training manual. They're putting together all the tools and exercises so they can share it with the whole world, helping everyone learn these super important skills.
And any donation, no matter how small, goes directly to helping them build this awesome program. It's a way to help make the world a happier, more powerful place, one person at a time.
When people donate, it helps the team create brand new lessons for the training. It helps them make cool new tools and guidebooks, and it helps them share the whole program with more and more people all over the planet.
So, what do you think? Are you ready to be part of the team? Are you ready to help other people unlock their superpowers and become pro-humans too? If you want to learn more or join the mission, it's super easy. Just head over to joinprojectphoenix.org. Let's do this together.